Hey, Queens and Kings. It have been a minute since I have done any review or haul over here with you all. But I hope you guys accept me as I am. Okay? Because I know. But I'm trying to get there, okay? I just got to get back to my creativity world. Basically back to my home, to you all, to my first love here on YouTube. Just taking baby steps, okay? But anyway, if you're a new queen or king here just stopping by, hello, my name is Valerie. Hello. And I appreciate you so much for actually stopping by, showing your love and support. And to my old royalties, I love y'all. I love y'all. But anyways, y'all, so we done jumped on the glam bandwagon. And I say bandwagon because of the simple fact, if you're familiar with my home decor and lifestyle channel, you know I already did a collaboration with them. So, but anyways, this time we got glam though. We got glam stuff over here, glam DIY stuff, like arts and craft, what we love over here. So let me start running my mouth and jump into it. But I know I said let me start running my mouth. I almost forgot to tell y'all about the statewide sale. It's 90% off, and you get an additional 30% off using this discount code on the screen. You can't beat it. And you get free shipping and up to 90 days free return. Hello? Somebody, anybody. Check out the links and everything down below. I promise you don't want to miss out because like I said, the bandwagon, everybody is doing it. Why don't you go ahead and jump on it too as well and go ahead and shop everything that I have down below and shop more other things too as well because they have some everything on there. I'll tell you about it a little bit later. Let's just go ahead and get into this, okay? All right, so, I'm so excited. Okay, let me just put the bag down. Let me put the bag down. So, first thing first is pretty much this here. These are actually screen lights. I feel like I always say that wrong. I don't know. Maybe I do. I don't know. Y'all know what I'm saying though, but pretty much this is how they look. This was free though. This was free. So, shout out to Temu for actually sending me these freebies because I like this. And I think I could use it in Jasmine room, okay? But it actually battery operated portion where you use 2 AA batteries to actually work this thing. Oh my goodness. I wonder what color it is. I'm gonna have to get some batteries so I can show you guys though. But shout out to Temu for sending me this gift here because this wasn't a part of my order. But anyways, let's move on. Starting out, y'all, we're starting out. You know what, let me I'm putting the bag down because I'm getting too excited. So, but anyways. So, all right. So, with arts and craft, you're going to need a glue gun. But guess what this one is? This one here is portable. Child, you don't need no electricity, nothing. Battery operated, not battery operated, USB. So, therefore, you're able to charge it up, honey. Oh, I opened everything upside down. You're able to charge it up and baby, just go. Look how cute she is. Look at it, girl. It got a kickstand on. I didn't know it had a kickstand on it. Baby, that is too cute. It got a little weight to it too, though. Not too heavy, not too light, though. And the trigger on it is worked pretty good. Here's the off and on switch on it. And like I said, USB. Now that is good. That's one thing why I wanted this because of USB. I don't have no USB, no battery, you know, nothing like wireless. That's the word I'm looking for. Wow, thank you, Queen. Thank you. But of course, they sent the charger so you can put it to any adapter, and it also comes with extra glue guns. Glue guns, girl. I mean glue sticks. Glue sticks. They pretty nice size glue sticks too. This is pretty much how it looks. So to be a DIYer, you're gonna need a glue gun. If it's electric or not, you're gonna need a glue gun, okay? All right, let's get in here. Get into it. What is this? Oh, I think I know what this is. Yep, that's what it is. It is some mirrors, some mirror wall stickers. How many come in here? Okay, it doesn't say. But the reason I picked these up because it remind me of my mean boxes that I got from Z Gallery, and they have this little cute little logo, the logo design. But they are mirrors though. I'll insert like a picture or something so you guys can see. I actually did pick up 2 packs of them. They come in a little plastic container like that. container plastic like that. But this is how it look. I think it's gonna be so cute once you take the mirror portion off, you remove the mirror film off of it. Ooh, we're gonna have some fun with these. We're gonna have some fun with these. So y'all jump onto the glam bandwagon, why don't you? There's some more mirrors. Listen, I picked up 2 packs of these. That's what these are here. They come in a pack like this, but I picked up 2 packs of them. So they are some small mirrors. I think at least probably about 40 come in here. I'm not even sure. Like this. Girl, that's pretty. Look at that. You can see yourself in there. You see me? Because I see you. You see me? I see you. But yes, look at that. I think it's cute then. Look at her. I'll give you like the real deal reflection. Okay, so I picked up 3 of these. These are some bling wrap, pretty much. And I think these are adhesive. Okay, so it have like this chevron look to it, but it's not that long, as you all can see. But it is beautiful though. Look at that. That is pretty. Look at that. That is real pretty. But 2 come in a pack. And I ordered 3 packs of them. So that is real pretty. And it's self-adhesive. So therefore, you're going to need too much glue or nothing like that, unless you just don't want it to make sure it never leave or remove or whatever come off. Yeah, I did have this film here on the top of it to protect it. You see that right there? Yeah. Did picked up 2 of these. Well, I ordered 2 of these. These are metallic. Great brain fart. Like, seriously, I don't remember the name of them. Somebody leave it in the comment section. I know one of y'all got it because y'all some DIYers, so I know you got it. But anyways, like I said, I picked up 2 of them. I pretty much picked these up for to put on some canvases and stuff. Oh, okay. So they do have a seal on a protective seal, so therefore I ain't got to worry about wasting it out. I like the container. They are very light. What is this stuff called? Y'all really having a brain fart. Oh, now you like to make jewelry, anything, or have any type of jewelry. You know you always lose in the back of it, the little pins and stuff to keep the jewelry connected or whatever. So I decided to pick this up, and you see that it comes in a package of silver and gold. You can't go wrong with that. Okay. Silver and gold. Oh, okay. For me, I was about to go there, but saying it is not my talent, but I try. But like I said, I picked up this little container here because it has different latches, jump rings and stuff like that. So therefore I can use it whenever something go wrong with a jewelry piece or want to make it an extra length or something like that, because you always have something to go wrong with a jewelry piece. Ooh, look at these, y'all. Look at these. These are some little white little crystals. Now, I have these in mind to pretty much put on the canvas, but by they look so big, I don't know. I'm pretty much have to break them up or something. But look how pretty it is. It gives you like that little milky vibe, like, you know, watered down milk. Yeah, that's pretty much the look. It gives you a little cloudy look. I think it's so pretty though. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. So it come in a pack like this. This one have 4 in it, and this one have 3 in it. I don't know why, but that's pretty much how the way that they came. All right, so now I have the gold metallic. Don't be like me. Don't be like me. Don't be like me. But I have it in gold too, but for whatever reason it came into the little plastic like this, other than the cute little jars that they have it in silver. I rather thought it came in a little jar like that though. But what is this stuff called? But these are like little flakes though. That's pretty much what they are, but I still can't call the name of it. Y'all just leave it in the comment section, child. Let's tell you, I got to get back to my creativity, baby, because I can't think. Now, once I go to edit this video, it probably pop up to me. No. Okay, so another thing that you would definitely need to be a DIYer is basically some X-Acto knife. I can remember that, can't I? Yeah. I'm true to the heart. But in this one here, it came 2 X-Acto knife, a ruler, and some extra little blades and everything. And this is a must-have to be a creator. You know why? Because you're going to always need to cut something real fast, sharp, and quick. Okay? So, get you one of these. Everything will be linked down below. Don't forget the 30% discount code added on to the 90% statewide sale that they got going on. You don't want to miss out. I'm telling you now. You miss out, that's on you. Don't come with me. That's on you. Oh, I know what these are. So, okay. These, I ain't gonna lie, they did look a little bigger on the website. You know, that's how people get you though. But I still want them though, even though I know they weren't gonna be that big because they hadn't like it was gonna take up the whole wall unless you order a whole lot. That's the only way I seen it being that big. But anyways, these here are, what's that fell out? Oh, the instruction stuff. Okay, so these are actually mirror tile scripts here, which have the protective film on it, and they are self-adhesive on the back. So you peel that little white part off and they'll be able to stick on to whatever you want to stick on. Excuse me. So I think probably about 15 come. Girl, let me lie real quick, because that's what I'm about to do. 1, 2, 8, 9, 10. So 10 of them coming. I should have known that, because that's the magic number when it come down to some mirror, and it's about this size anyway. But like I said, I did order 3 of them, so I have 30 of them in all. Y'all, I'm trying to film. Good God, stop being disrespectful. We got confident. But yeah, shout out, be linked down below. You gotta make me act real ratchet around here. Last 2, I know it went by pretty fast. I know, I'm sorry, I apologize. I do apologize. But listen, I got some more bling for you guys, because like I said, this is gonna be a glam bandwagon Temu haul. If I didn't say it, I'm saying it now, okay? But I picked up 2 of these. I don't know why I just picked up 2 of these. I don't know why, when I should have picked up 3 like I did the other bling. But look how beautiful this is. Look how beautiful this is, honey. This is pretty. So pretty, but it actually is longer, where you probably could put it on a pillow. Girl, you can put this everywhere. Honey, you can put this on anything you want to put it on, honey. You could decorate some type of clothing or whatever. Like, be creative with your DIYs, okay? To the point that they don't know that it's a DIY. Hello, somebody. That's why you over here. That's why you're over here, because the DIYs don't look like it's a DIY. But anyways, had to toot my horn a little bit. But this is pretty. This is beautiful, actually. So it do have the little paper on the back, so that means it is self-adhesive. So that's a good thing. We love DIYs like that, to the point you ain't got to use too much and you ain't got to do too much, okay? But I picked up 2 of them, all right? So the last item that I did pick up, these are bigger. I love them. I wish I should have picked up. I should have picked up probably about 5 of them. No, maybe 6. You know why I say 6? Because I feel like I can use them as a placemat. Look how beautiful it is. Y'all know I'm always trying to give you guys something that you can actually think outside the box and use it for something else other than what it intentionally for. So, but anyways, I did use one of them because I actually revamped a DIY. So this is the one that I used on the other DIY. But this is pretty much how it is. Like, it is mirrored tiles, small tiny mirror tiles that you can cut down to whatever size you want to cut down to, and I think it's so gorgeous, so gorgeous. So I didn't use as much from the DIY because I cut it down into scripts and I used it on 2 different sizes, but I think it's so beautiful. Look at that. This is it. Okay, this is it. Like, baby, it is Bling World over here. Okay, Bling World. But that was it, Queens and Kings, that I got for my glam bandwagon Temu haul. Well, glam Temu haul, I'm just say that. But anyways, like I said before, Temu have a 90% sale going on, plus the 30% discount code where you're using my code, so therefore you can get 30% off. Also, check out the link down below to the site, so therefore you can see everything that they have on there, to the point Temu have whatever you want to, whatever you can actually think about. Temu have on there. They have clothes, they have shoes, baby clothes, adult, you know, men clothes, jewelry. Girl, Temu just, matter of fact, just sent me a doggone shipment. Listen, see that? Listen, my order be here pretty soon. That's the, listen, I'm excited about it because I actually ordered some stuff some more stuff. So, but you have to check it out on my Queen Val Living channel. Okay, see how this work. Me and Temu seeing eye to eye, because I'm telling you, you're gonna get addicted when you get on that site, because once again, like I said, they have so much stuff on there. They have adult toys on there. They arts and craft on there. They have kitchen gadgets on there. They have things for your kids on there. They have, did I say shoes, lingerie, like whatever you can think of, baby Temu had it. So click all the links down below. Don't forget your discount code when you get ready to check out, so therefore you can save. And the reason I'm scratching that is because of the simple fact I want you to save, but not because I'm getting a percentage or something, like if you buy something I get like 5 cents. No, nothing like that. Just because, like I said, I want you to save and catch the deal that they have going on, because you're gonna be like, let me go back then, since once I put that 30% in, I can actually go back and add something that's on the list. Because if you're going on with a certain budget, you're going to do that. I promise you're going to get lost on the site. So just have somebody that's go ahead and time you so they can pull you up out of there, because you're going to get lost. But anyways, Queens and Kings, that is it. If you all enjoyed this haul, this review of the items that they did send me, please go ahead and click the link down below. Share the video, thumbs up this video if you're a new Queen and King here just stopping by. Hello, my name is Valerie. Over here I do all things DIY glam. Okay, glam DIY pretty much. So, but anyways, with that being said, Queens and Kings, I will talk to you all in the next one. You all continue to be royal, and remember, honey, that crown may tilt, but it damn sure won't fall. Bye bye.